We have a 10th lesson for integration. This is our past question. It says find the integral of x multiplied by 2x minus 3 over the root of x dx, the limit from 1 to 9. So once limits are given, it means this one is a definite integral, definite integration. Okay. So whenever you want to integrate or you want to differentiate and the function is a fraction where the denominator has only one term, then it tells you that you can manipulate that so that it will lead you to the basic integration, or if it is differentiation, the basic differentiation. Otherwise, unless you have to apply one of the techniques like substitution, substitution method of integration. So, but we have only one term as a denominator, so we can simplify, because going to other techniques may lead you to more steps. So we keep writing this from 1 to 9. This times this is 2x squared, x times minus 3x over x raised to half dx. I hope you see it, because it is just one denominator from 1 to 9, 2x squared over x squared, x to the power half. You separate it, minus 3x over this one, x to the power half dx. So the integral from 1 to 9, okay, here is 2, here is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. The base is x, the base is x. We take 1x. But because of division, we subtract the power. So 2 minus half. 2 minus half. Minus here. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. X power 1, x power half, we take 1. But because they are separated by division, we subtract the powers. Here is 1 minus the power here is half. We have not done anything like integration here. So what is next? We say the integral from 1 to 9. This is 2x. 2 minus half is what? Is 1.5. You have 2. Yeah, this 2 you take away half, it will mean 1.5. 1.5 is 3 upon 2 minus 3x. 1 minus half is half dx. So now we can integrate. So how do we integrate? We add 1 to the power 2x to the power 3 upon 2. This is what we have. But to integrate algebraic function, we add 1 to the power. Then the new power is what we bring down. 3 upon 2 plus 1. I hope it is clear. Alright. So we say minus. Here again we have 3x to the power half. Is what we have. But how do we integrate it? We add 1 to the power. Then we divide by this one coming down. Half plus 1. Can we say plus c? No, we cannot say plus c because there are limits. So from 1 to 9. Okay, so we say 2x, 3 upon 2 plus 1. You know, 3 upon 2 is 1.5. 3 upon 2 is what? 1.5. 1.5 plus 1 is 2.5. Do not forget what I'm saying. 3 upon 2 is 1.5. Remember, even as low as Becker level, they know that 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. So 3 upon 2 is 1.5. So 1.5 added to 1, we have 2.5. But 2.5 is 5 upon 2. 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 upon 2, divide by, remember this and this is the same thing here. So 5 upon 2, 3x. Half plus 1 is 1.5. 1.5 is 3 upon 2. We divide by the same 3 upon 2. because this is the same thing we have here. So the limit from 1 to 9. So what is next? I've been informing you about when below the fraction there is a fraction. Below the denominator here, below the division line, there is a fraction. So these two moves to the top. So when this 2 moves to the top, it will meet this one. So it becomes 2 times 2. The 2 that moves to the top times this one, x to the power 5 upon 2. What remains down here is 5. Okay, minus this 2 goes to the top. 2 times 3, x, 3 upon 2. What remains here is 3. 1 to 9. One good thing about mathematics, in trying to learn one topic, you'll be able to understand other concepts, especially this fraction concept I'm explaining. So this 3 takes away this. 2 times 2 is 4 over 5, x to the power 5 over 2, minus, here is just 2, x to the power 5 over 2. So from 1 to 9. So what do we do now? We can use 9 to substitute first. You always substitute the upper limit before the lower limit. So now we go. Wherever we see x, we write 9. 4 over 5. What is x? 9 to the power 5 over 2. This is 2. What is x? 9. Oh, this is 3. 3 over 2. So we are done substituting 9. What is next is to substitute 1. But we have to say minus first and start all over again. 4 over 5 multiplied by what is x? 1. If I were you, I will not write this one again because 1 raised to any value is 1. 5 over 2. Alright. Minus 2 multiplied by x, which is 1, 3 upon 2. I hope it is clear now. So 4 over 5 multiplied by 9 raised to 5 upon 2. 9 raised to 5 upon 2. I want you to see what I'm doing. 9 is the same as 3 squared. Just 9 is the same as 3 squared. But there is a power of 5 upon 2 times 5 upon 2. So this cancels this. What remains? 3 to the power 5. I hope it is clear. 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5 minus. So 9 again is same as 3 squared times 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. So this cancels this. What remains? 3 to the power 3. So 2 times 3 to the power 3 minus. So 1 raised to any number is 1. 1 times 4.5 is 4.5. 1 raised to any number is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay. So, if you know you can play with the calculator very well, you can enter everything here in the calculator. Then it will make it easier for you. I hope it is clear. So that we don't have, we don't spend more time. 4 over 5, 4 divided by 5, I multiply by 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 5, sorry. Yes. 972 over 5. 972 over 5. 972 over 5 minus 3 cube is 27. 27 times 2 is 54. Minus. So we have here 4 over 5 minus 2. Yes. You can use your calculator there as well to do everything. So the first one says 972 over 5 then minus 54, which is minus 4 over 5 minus 2. So we have 708 over 5. 708 over 5. So this is what we have for this result. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, comment, also subscribe to the YouTube as well. See you in my next video.